UNIX Person channel. In this video we are going to see how to modify the files and directory permissions. So to modify the files and directory permissions, we use the command called chmod, then space the permission we'd like to give, then space the file or the directory name you have to mention. So like this you have to change the files and directory permissions. For example, let me check. I have a file with the name called test file. To check the details of the test file, we use the command ls-l followed by the file name, and it shows all the detailed informations like who is the owner, the size, the date of creations. Also you can check the default permissions for the file. So the first three field rw dash, so this is for the owner field, and the second r dash dash, so this is for the group users field, and the last r dash dash, so this field is for the other users field. So if you want to assign the permissions for owner, group and others, you have to use this syntax. For example, in my task, I need to assign the right permission for the other users. So the default permission is 644. So R means 4. So write means 2. Execute means 1. So RW in the sense 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So like that you can check the permissions. For example, chmod is the command. For owners, I'm not going to change anything. So 6 is the default permission. For group also, I'm not going to change. Then for others, with read, I need to add the write permission. So read means 4. So write means 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 I have to mention. Followed by the file name. That's it. Then to confirm, again execute ls-l followed by the file name. So this time it shows what? The permissions in with the updated one. So the owner are having the read and write, the group users are having the read. Now the other users are having the read and write permissions. So like this you can assign or modify the permissions for the files and directories. Now let me show you another one example. Suppose if I want to assign the no permission for other users. So no permissions means no read, no write and no execute. So this is the command. So chmod for owner, no need to change anything. The same for group. Then others field you have to mention 0. So in numeric 0 means no permission. Let me try. Chmod 6 for owner, for group the read permission. Now for others I need to remove all the existing permissions. So I have to mention 0. Then followed by the file name is test file. Enter. Let me confirm by using the ls command again. Yes, this time you will not find any permissions at the others field. So hyphen indicates no permission. So like this you can assign what? The different sets of permissions for the owner, for group and for the other users also. So the permissions can be modified by two methods. The one is by using the numbers, that is a numeric method, and the another one is by using the symbolic method. So if you are using symbolic method means you have to use some classes. For owner you have to use U, for group you have to use G, then for others you have to use O. And also we use some operators to add and to remove the permissions like plus and minus. Okay. Let me show you one example. ls-l the file name. So the current permissions are for owner read and write, for group read permission. So others are having no permissions. Now let me assign read permission for other users by using the symbolic method. So chmod. So for others you have to use O. Then to add the permission you have to use plus followed by the permission you would like to assign. So here I am going to give the read permission for other users. So or I have to mention or alone, I mean, followed by that file name. Enter. That's it. To confirm again execute ls-l followed by the file name. Yes. So this time the other users are having what? The read access. So like this you can assign or remove the permissions by using the symbolic methods also. Let me show you another one example. Now my task is to remove the write permission for owner and I have to add the write permission for other users, for group users, and I have to add the execute permission for other users. So the same command chmod. So I need to remove the write permission. So U means the owner, So minus is the operator to remove the existing permission. W, remove the write permission. Then by using the comma, you can use what? The other fields also. For group G, for group, I am going to add the write permission. So plus is the operator followed by the permission, comma. For owner, I am going to add the execute permission. So plus followed by X, and then the file name you have to give. Enter. Let me confirm again. Yes. Now for owner, the write permission has been removed. For the group users, the read and write has been added. Then for other users, with read, the execute permission has been added successfully. So like this, you can assign the different sets of permissions for owner, group, and for other users, either by using the numeric or by using the symbolic method. Thanks for watching.